Have you seen channels like this having a lot of subscribers and views on each video they make? I will show you how they loop a 1 minute audio to 10 hours audio. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't and like this video. Let's dive in. First, you need the audio you want to loop, and you need an app called Adobe Audition app. So in your Adobe Audition, you need to add the audio to it. So let me import my audio. Import the file. Now let me scroll to where new folder. Then you select your audio. Open. So you wait for it. Yes. So for us to start with looping, you have to select this multi-track button here. Now you can give it any name you want. Let me give it, for the sake of time, I'll make it 10 minutes loop. So let me write 10 minutes loop. Yeah, as you can see here, we are done. We have created a multi-track part where we can drag the audio and put it in it. So let's drag this audio and put it here. So select OK. So finish loading. Yeah, as you can see, just drag this thing and you get to know that it's just 2 minutes and some 2 minutes and some seconds audio. So we are going to increase it to 10 minutes. To do that, you come to this side, the remix track. So you click on enable remix. So you wait for it. You wait for it to finish. It won't take long. Depending on the audio you have, if you have a 1 hour audio, to take a bit long. So now it's done. I want to loop it to 10 minutes. So at this target duration, you click in it, then you change it to 10 minutes. So let's change the 2 to 10, the 28 to 00, and then this one's to 00 as well. Then you press your enter key. Then to apply the remix to it. So when we increase this thing, you get to know that there are some lines you can see. So everyone is a track, the same track that's been looped to 10 minutes. So that's it. You can choose to make it 10 hours, 24 hours, depending on the hours you want to loop the audio. So we are done with looping. Now we have to save it, export it. So to do that, we come to file here. We'll come to export. We'll come down to multi-track mix down. Then we choose entire session. So you are going to maintain the file name, and we'll maintain the location as well. The format, we choose MP3. You can choose any one that you want, but I'm going with MP3 audio. The source, you can leave it. All these things, you can leave it. So now you just click on OK. Now to export your multi-track mix down for you. Yeah, so that's it. Let me open where it is located. So you go to documents, that's where I exported it to. Okay, as you can see, it's here. It's 10 minutes. So let me open it. As you can see, it's a 10 minutes. It's a 10 minutes audio. So thank you very much for watching. and see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment if you like this video. And if you know any other way of looping a video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Goodbye.